In this session, we are taking you through a practical on how to perform urine microscopy. After you have seen the appearance, that is macro, you have done biochemical test using a heuristic, how do you process a urine sample from the patient for microscopy? So what you do, you first mix the urine well, so that if there are sediments, they are evenly distributed. Then after mixing the urine, you're going to open the urine container, which is labeled with the patient name. Then you add at least 10 ml of urine collected from the patient into a centrifuge tube. So after putting 10 ml of urine, or some procedures say halfway, after putting there, then you get another centrifuge tube, you fill it with water to balance. So you make sure they are equal volumes. So after making sure the volume of the another tube balancing and the one of the urine are of the same at the same level, you come and load in a centrifuge. You load both the urine sample together with the tube you're using for balancing into the centrifuge. Then afterwards, close the centrifuge and set the centrifugation speed. The one preferred, we can use 1500 RPM for 5 minutes, or we can use 3000 RPM for 2 minutes. So you can choose which can be easier for you. So after setting our centrifuge, you start the centrifuge. Then you wait for the 5 minutes. If you have used 1500 RPM, or 2 minutes if you have used 3000 RPM. Then after that, you leave the centrifuge to finish spinning. Then you open it and remove your sample, and together with the one which used for balancing. So after removing it, what we are going to do, using a pasture pipette, we pipette off the supernatant, because after centrifuging, you obtain the supernatant with the sediment at the bottom. So what we do, using a pasture pipette, you remove the supernatant without disturbing it. You remove gently all the supernatant. Some people prefer pouring it away, but the best method is pipetting off the supernatant without disturbing the sediment. So after pipetting off the supernatant, using your thumb finger, or you tap on the tube to mix the sediment. After mixing the sediment, you obtain a microscope slide. You obtain a microscope slide and put your sample. You can use the pasture pipette. Use the pasture pipette to pipette part of the sediment on the microscope slide. Then after putting on a microscope slide, you apply a cover slip and examine microscopically using ×10 and ×40 objective lens. To apply the slide on the microscope stage, then you lower the condenser. After lowering the condenser, you close the diaphragm. Then after closing the diaphragm, you examine the urine using ×10 objective. Then when you see features whereby under ×10 we are looking for the epithelial cells, then you can swing to ×40 for detailed morphology of pus cells, yeast cells, and other findings in urine microscopy. Thank you so much for learning with us at Medical Sciences. Always remember to follow us on our page, and share your thoughts under the comment section.